Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section simply scroll down to find the display. Now we have to scroll down again to find the navigation bar, so let's tap, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. Before we will set the gestures, a quick disclaimer: if you want to stick to this option, so the 3-button navigation, here you can customize it, so for example reorder the back button and the recents. You can change also the button position. But let's move to the gestures. Simply tap on this option in order to actually set it. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures, which I will explain later on. Here we've got some options which are connected with the gestures, so the gesture hand, you can show button to hide keyboard, and block gestures with the S Pen, up to you. You can also tap on more options, and here you can decide whether you want to use only I forgot how to say it, but one line, or you can use 3 of them, which are responsible for particular gestures connected with the buttons. So as you can see, we'll have 3 lines divided between the actions. Up to you, I prefer this one. You can change the gesture sensitivity also, but to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower, and you can decide whether you want to swipe to open the Assistant app. Alright, so we did not have any kind of tutorial of how to use the gestures, so I will explain it to you. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you will see this arrow. After releasing the finger, you will go back. It works the same from the left side, so it's up to you which option is more comfortable. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger or pen from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the motion, however make it longer, so like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.